Have you ever wondered how your engine actually breathes? What controls the air going in and the smoke coming out? Inside every engine are small but powerful components called valves, and without them, your car wouldn't even start. Today, I'll explain what engine valves are, the difference between intake and exhaust valves, and how they work together in the four-stroke cycle. Let's break it down. Engine valves are metal components located in the cylinder head. Their job is simple but critical. First, they control the flow of air and fuel into the engine. Second, they control the flow of burnt gases out of the engine. Each cylinder typically has one intake, inlet valve, one exhaust valve. Modern engines may have 4 valves per cylinder, 2 intake and 2 exhaust, for better performance. Valves open and close thousands of times per minute while the engine is running. Let us look at the intake valve. This one allows fresh air or air-fuel mixture into the combustion chamber. See here how it works. First, the piston moves down. Then, the camshaft pushes the intake valve open. Air and fuel enter the cylinder. The valve closes before compression begins. The intake valve is usually slightly larger in size, designed to allow maximum airflow. More air equals better combustion equals more power. Now for the exhaust valves. This one does the opposite of the inlet valve. After combustion, the piston moves up. The camshaft opens the exhaust valve. Burnt gases exit through the exhaust port. The valve closes before the next intake stroke. Exhaust valves are usually smaller, made from stronger, heat-resistant material. Why? Because they deal with extremely hot gases, sometimes over 700 degrees Celsius. Let us have a brief idea how valves work in a 4-stroke engine. Let's simplify the full process. For intake stroke, intake valve open, exhaust valve closed. For compression stroke, both valves closed. For power stroke, both valves closed. For exhaust stroke, exhaust valve are open, intake valve are closed.
This timing is controlled by the camshaft, connected to the crankshaft by a timing belt or chain. If timing is off, the engine misfires, or worse, internal damage. Here's a simple comparison between the two valves. For intake valve, 1. Brings air/fuel in. 2. Larger diameter. 3. Runs cooler. And for exhaust valve, 1. It pushes burnt gases out. 2. They are smaller in diameter. 3. This one handles extreme heat. Lastly, made from stronger alloy. Both of these valves must seal perfectly. If they don't, you lose compression and power. Common valve problems are burnt exhaust valve, bent valves, from timing belt failure, carbon buildup, valve not sealing properly. Symptoms of valve failure includes rough idle, loss of power, engine misfire, low compression. So now you understand how your engine breathes. Intake valves bring life in. Exhaust valves release pressure out. Small components, but massive responsibility. If this helped you understand engines better, subscribe Automobile. And comment what engine topic you want next.